So, you're looking to make some cash on the side with your very own YouTube channel? Well, good news for you. It's totally possible. And even better news. We've got a hot tip on how to make that dough roll in even faster. First things first, let's talk about an easy way to monetize your channel. Clickbank products. Now, you may be thinking, click what? But fear not, my friend. Clickbank is one of the top affiliate marketing networks on this planet. You make money as a Clickbank affiliate. In other words, you promote someone else's product and get a cut of the profits if someone buys it through your unique link. Now on to the real question. How do you actually create a successful YouTube channel promoting Clickbank products? Well, it all starts with one key acronym, DISCO. By the way, I didn't come up with it. I heard about this from a fellow affiliate friend. D stands for define your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics can you speak confidently on for hours? Find your niche and stick to it. This will help attract loyal viewers who trust and value your opinion. I stands for invest in quality equipment and software. No one wants to watch a blurry video with terrible sound quality. Invest in a decent camera and microphone so that your content looks and sounds professional. S stands for strategic promotion. Simply uploading videos won't be enough to drive traffic to your channel. You should promote yourself on social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter, as well as on forums related to your niche. C stands for consistency is key. Consistently uploading new content is crucial when building an audience. Set up a schedule that works for both you and your viewers so they know when they can expect new videos from you. O stands for optimize your videos. Make sure each video includes relevant keywords in both the title and description so people searching for those keywords will find your content easily. With these tips in mind, there's no reason why creating a successful YouTube channel promoting Clickbank products can't be your reality. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll be well on your way to freedom from the daily grind. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to InfoSpike TV. I'll be uploading more videos to help you on your journey to financial freedom.